everybody, well today we have the Tozo T10 upgrade, which is probably better than the last model, and it looks really sleek and nice. I think what's different is it has a USB charger. Let's look at the outside packaging here. Okay, now I do have a separate video where I review the T10 upgraded. I put it through all its paces, the sound quality. I even do a submerge test, so watch that video here. But this is an unboxing. So it has an IP rating of X8, which means it should be submergible actually. So things like sweat and rain shouldn't bother it. It has stereo quality sound, of course, we hope it does. And we have touch controls. Beep, 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 beep. And we have one touch pairing, and it should be lightweight. Okay, so on the sides, it doesn't really have much. So it doesn't say much about it on the packaging, except that it looks like we can get several different kinds of colors. Now, this is, I have the black version here. Now it's looking like we've got some instructions here. Oh, very nice. So we'll be able to do our taps and stuff. Very nice. So this is some good instructions. We'll be able to tap and do everything. I think this is the quick start guide. Very nice. And then a more in-depth instruction. Very valuable to have instructions. Now, here are the Tozo earpods. They look great. Very small. Very small. I like small. And they come with a nice tip, left and right. Like it. Liking it so far. These are very small. This just feels like a really good material. This is like a really soft plastic, kind of rubbery. It doesn't feel like it's going to come out of your ears. And of course the tips seem really well done. I like that it's on the outside here, because a lot of times they embed it in here and you can't really see where it is, or you can't really see which one's right and which one's left. But it doesn't really say, it seems like these are exactly the same. So it almost doesn't seem like it matters, except for the music that you're listening to. You know what I mean? So before we get to the case, let's go ahead and see what's in here. Now it looks like we have a lanyard and charging and different tips in here. So I like that it's kind of dummy proof, right? Okay, so in this package we actually have the tips. So now I love this. Okay, so it looks like we have several different sizes of tips that will be really nice. They're very good quality. I mean, it's like you smush them, you can tell that this is going to be soft in my ear. Now in the other, here's the lanyard. A lanyard is just, you know, like you can hook it into the case probably, and you'll be able to strap it around your neck. Okay, and then we got this charge. It's USB-C and a USB-A, but USB-C. I wish it was USB-C on this side as well, but you know, hey, progress at least. So you can see the USB-C. I believe this is part of the upgrade, this USB-C. I think that's part of the upgrade. It does not come with a power brick, so I hope you have one lying around. Nice. Let's get into this case. It's very good material. It's very nice. I can tell that it probably would be waterproof. Very nice. Let's open that up. Oh, that's very lovely. So now this is translucent, so I think we'll be able to see the things through it. Let's go ahead and, oh, and it snaps good. That's a good snap. So right goes on right and left goes on left, and you can see that it's charging right away. You can see that it has the little lights here. I don't know if my lights are too bright, but there's blue lights that indicate how charged the case is. And then it has the red showing that it's charging, I believe, is how that works. And then when you close it, of course, it's kind of translucent. Let me turn it on. Yeah, so you can see it's very translucent, and you can see that it's charging, or how much charge it has. So those are very nice. I like that a lot. They did a really nice job. This case looks really superior. Now, another great thing about the bottom of this case here is that it does do wireless charging. So in addition to the USB-C, you can charge it wirelessly, but you'll note here at the bottom, wireless charging pad not included. But it's a great feature for such a cheap case to have wireless charging if you have your own charge pad. I like it. And there's where the lanyard would go. So you would be able to strap this on. So what a lanyard is you would be able to put it around your neck. Okay, so this would go through here, and then you have like a necklace. Okay, now the tip is very comfortable and soft, but you can also exchange it very easily for one, like say if you have a bigger ear. Let's just put this bigger one on. They're pretty snug. So I have bigger ears, and that's not coming off. Okay, so that's how easy it is, and you've got all these different sizes if you need to change your size for your ear. It's very good. I can't tell you enough, this is very soft and very good material, and apparently you can tap, tap, tap in order to get it. Now let's pair. I'm going to pair this with an older iPhone. This is an iPhone SE first generation, so I'm just going to pair these with this. It's supposed to have one touch pairing, so let's just go ahead and get into the Bluetooth and just see what we've got. Now let's open them up. Let's see, there it is. Oh, it's already there. Okay, Tozo. And it's already connected. Awesome. Easy to pair.
So at this point, I bet you're wondering, where can I go to get this fantastic product? Well, go to Amazon, use the link below, it helps the channel, and get this fantastic product. This is Tozo T10 upgraded wireless earbuds. I love these things. I wouldn't hesitate to pick them up. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe to my channel, VidTech with Rick, for more product reviews like this. Thanks for watching.